Hello everyone. My project to finish the Duke University AI Project Management course is all about tackling a problem in healthcare, making patient triage safer and more efficient. We are applying core principles of user experience, data privacy, and ethics to an AI-powered medical triage chatbot, which I um, used in the previous course as well and building on that. So I'm excited to walk you through my approach. We started by looking at the core problem. Manual medical triage is often inconsistent, slow, and prone to human error, especially when patient volume spikes. The fundamental task for our system is to accurately classify a patient's symptoms into a risk category. So those categories would be emergency, urgent, or self-care before they can even see a doctor. Our core insight here is that the AI shouldn't replace the human, but rather simplify the clinician's task flow. We're shifting their focus from time-consuming manual review to AI-assisted classification and safety audit, freeing up their time for the most complex cases. When thinking about user experience, we have two main users. For the patient interaction, that's simple. They describe their symptoms through a natural language chat. The AI extracts those details and gives them a clear output, a triage category, and an estimated wait time, which manages their expectations right away. More importantly, we've built a critical active feedback loop for the clinicians. If a doctor reviews a patient and realizes the AI misclassified an emergency classification as self-care, a false negative, they can flag that decision immediately. This corrective action is essential for continuous model improvement and safety. In a clinical setting, trust is everything, so we prioritize transparency. We provide the clinician with a triage justification card that clearly explains why the AI made its classification, citing the symptoms and features that drove the decision. To handle uncertainty, the AI never gives a single definitive score. Instead, it provides a confidence range. And crucially, if the model's confidence is low, like let's say under 50%, the system is designed to always default to the safest, highest risk category. This is our safety first approach. Furthermore, for all emergency and urgent classifications, a human sign off is mandatory, ensuring accountability always remains with a medical professional. Moving on to privacy, the data we collect, symptoms, medical history, age is highly sensitive, so it's considered protective health information. This means we must strictly comply with HIPAA. This creates three major obligations for us. First, we need to guarantee data security by ensuring all PHI is encrypted both when it's stored and when it's being transmitted. Second, we must practice data minimization. For model training, we de-identify the data, removing all identifiers required by HIPAA to prevent linking the information back to the individual. Finally, we maintain rigorous audit logs to track all access to PHI. When building an AI for healthcare, ethical considerations, especially bias, are life and death issues. My main risk is historical bias. If our training data overrepresents one demographic, the model will perform unfairly on underrepresented groups, potentially leading to misclassification and delayed care. To address this, I focus on the three goals of ethical AI. For fairness, we use equality of opportunity metrics to verify the model's accuracy. Make sure it's equivalent across different demographic groups. For accountability, the clinical audit trail is our safeguard. The final responsibility for patient harm always rests with the supervising doctor. And for transparency, we use explainable AI techniques to show the clinicians which data points are driving the high risk predictions. Our key takeaway from this project is that in high stakes fields like medicine, AI is a trusted co pilot, not a replacement. The system must be meticulously engineered for safety, compliance with HIPAA in this case, and robust ethical governance to truly enhance patient care and clinical efficiency. Thank you very much.